What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Finally gonna do a video doing something to this car. Well, not really doing something, but I guess you could say fixing something. The other night I took it out for some pulls, and the last pull I did, I actually popped the coupler. So right now it's hitting 0 boost. This thing is NA right now. I'm making like 200 horsepower. So we're gonna find out what coupler popped off. These are good. I think it's gonna be this one. And just like that, bumper's off. And after about like 5 seconds of looking, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there it is. Alright, now to just put this back together and should be hitting boost in about 5 minutes. So for some reason, Adrian had put this one, which has a bolt inside where it's hitting like hella stuff. And the other one, which is just a simple flathead little thing, on this side. So I'm going to swap them. There should be more room to play with, because I could not tighten this one down there to save my life. I don't know if I'm making sense to it. Alright, let's do this. Alright, looks like this plan is working out pretty freaking perfect. Now time to put this one on, which is the harder one, which is a little tighter spot. Alright guys, seems like everything is tightening down pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this car around the block just to make sure it's maintaining boost, and we'll be good to go.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, enough of all that. For this part of the video, we are going to be going on the Little Canyon POV drive in the Q50. So let's see how this goes. I was gonna stop and put gas, but I don't want her to get dark, so I'm gonna just full send it. I do have enough to go up and down. So damn, that truck is smashing over here. What the fuck? Alright guys, we made it in. This thing is sport. Turn off traction control. I was taking a piss. It's pretty cold outside. For a sedan, this thing handles pretty good. Let's turn on the pops pretty quick. Those of you guys that don't know, unfortunately on this car I do have to pull over to turn on the... Oh damn, there's snow up there, what the hell? I do have to pull over to turn on the bumper map. That's the only thing that sucks about this car. Unlike my Z, that I could just do it as I'm driving. I think we're about to have some... I think we're about to see some snow when we get to the top. Do a little day. We got a nice open road right here. This thing is so slow. If this thing had a boost, it would be perfect. I'm telling you guys, like a supercharger. The only reason I'm saying supercharger over turbo kit so I could try something different. I already have a turbo VQ, so it'll be pretty sick to have a supercharged VQ as well. One day. That's the one thing that sucks about this little canyon or whatever, that the roads suck. It's still fun. Whoa! Did you guys see that branch? I was about to smack it, or probably did closer than what it actually was, but damn. hella snow back there. If I had an off-roading car, you could go straight. It's like I think it's a pretty sick off-road trail up there. Then there's a shooting range over here. Should I do the flame map right here? Should I do the popcorn map? Probably think I'm shooting him. Come out here and shoot me. That's pretty fun though. It's always fun to come up here. A lot funner in the Z because it's a manual car, but even this one, for being an automatic and a big body, it's still pretty fun. The best thing about coming up here is that it's so quiet. It's so peaceful up here. Caw-caw, caw-caw. What the hell was that? Sounds like a big ass fly. What? Let's record a little launch for you guys. Yeah. That's about to be all right. These fools would have destroyed my camera. Alright guys, so usually on these little POV drives that I take up here, I like to record on the way up, drive the car a little hard on the way up, and on the way down. What the fuck? I was about to say, bro, tell me the window stopped working. Anyways, as I like to do on these POV drives, I like to pretty much drive the car hard on the way up, record for you guys, and on the way down I like to turn off the camera and just enjoy the drive down. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to drive like a normal human being for the way down.